Lenovo is well known for manufacturing excellent quality laptops for a variety of users and has now boosted their earbuds game in the market. They are now launching budget earbuds that provide you authentic sound quality with maximum durability. Lenovo recently came up with a product named SE 631TWC that was first available in the market at the end of 2020. Through its compact design and convenient touch control, it drew everyone's attention in a brief period. These earbuds deliver pretty clear and immersive audio output at a very reasonable price. So the question appears, how much it can offer to its users in this price range? To find out the answer, we set out to review the product and get to know about its pros and cons. Here's what we learned. First of all, let's go through the unboxing part. The earbuds come with a box made of cardboard. Though the packaging seems cheap, it is very eco-friendly and expected to be dissolved in the environment earlier than other plastic materials. Considering the price tag, what can you expect more? Inside of it, you will get a user guide, USB-C cable, tips, and the earbuds themselves. The case where the buds remain is very compact, which clearly tells us the story of why Lenovo calls it droplets. You can keep it in your pocket easily as it weighs only 36.2 grams and the buds inside of it. There's an LED indicator on the sidelines of the case that will notify you about the charge percentage. The most exceptional part about the case is it does not flip open like other available earbuds, rather it slides open, which makes it look unique and convenient. Now let's try out the buds. They look pretty stylish to us, and you will get a wide range of the tips to fit the buds properly in your ears. A sensitive touch panel is provided that allows you to manage your music, calls, and voice assistants easily. The touch panel seems very responsive. The other necessary guidelines for using the buds are provided in the user manual. Let's move on to the most crucial part, the sound quality. The buds provide average sound quality with its 5.8mm bio-diaphragm speaker. Considering its price range, the sound quality seems decent and well balanced. The frequency response range is 20 to 20 kHz so that you can enjoy deep bass. Though there is not much noise cancellation, you will get a proper audio output playing it indoors. The earbuds have Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity to ensure no interruption while connecting with phones or other devices. Feature-wise, these earbuds have got HSP, HFP, and A2DP support to give you a more stable connection and 2 times faster transmission speed. During calls, you will get clear sounds and the microphone works quite perfectly. Getting this much decent sound from such a low-priced product is impressive. One thing we found a bit troublesome is if you want to pair a new device, you have to touch it 7 times on the touch panel. Imagine doing that in front of other people. It seems a bit awkward, right? On the other side, there is a USB Type-C quick charging port. The earbuds take only 1 hour to get fully charged and provide you with 4 hours of playtime. You can get the buds charged 2.5 times from the case, which means 10 hours of total playtime. You can carry these buds with you to the gym or anywhere you go because the buds are rated IPX5 waterproofing that effectively resists sweat and rain. So wearing these, you can have intense workout sessions or listen to music even if it's raining. But one thing that you need to keep in mind that the charging case is not waterproof, so you need to keep it safe from water. The Lenovo droplets offer a lot to its users considering its reasonable price. In this price range, getting a true wireless stereo device with such immersive sound quality is quite appreciable. Its compact size and unique design are sure to make an impact on people's hearts. So do we recommend it? Well, of course! Especially if you are not a fan of spending much, these earbuds from Lenovo can be the perfect deal for you. So get yourself one of these to have your needs fulfilled. So with that being said, we are at the end of our video today. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.